So hey guys, today I'm here to introduce a brand new training program which will going to launch on the 16th of August, whose name is InstaClient Recipe. So in this video we will discuss what is InstaClient Recipe, what benefits of getting this training, and how InstaClient Recipe helps you to grow your business. So stay connected at the end. So InstaClient Recipe is a formula that will help you to quickly locate your perfect client and filter out anyone who will be drained on your efforts. They have also created a simple but insanely effective process that will quickly turn those leads into paying clients. There are three insanely common dead ends that cripple the success of digital agency owners, coaches, and consultants. When searching for new leads to grow their client base, most business owners find themselves unsure about where to find new clients that will pay for their services. Many business owners don't know where to find clients. They try cold calling or walking into businesses only to be met by an unforgiving gatekeeper. They may try searching on multiple social media platforms or even pay for advertisements. More often than not though, they come up empty-handed, confused and unsure about where to focus their search for potential leads. And that's why InstaClient Recipe comes to solving this problem very perfectly. This 5-step InstaClient Recipe quickly connects you with clients who will happily agree to pay for your services every single month. So here we are on the preview sales page of InstaClient Recipe. So here we will cut the waste part and take a look at the important parts of the sales page so that you don't waste your time reading these things. So here I am telling you what you will learn in this training program. So this training program are dividing into 5 parts. So in the first part you will learn 5 secret criteria for zeroing in on the perfect clients for your agency. This incredible effective techniques leverage the vast pool of potential clients on Instagram, showing you how to find your perfect client. Using these 5 specific criteria, you will easily dodge these hardly to help folks and instead quickly locate your perfect clients. In the part 2, you will learn how to find your 10 perfect hashtags. Most people have a vague idea about what hashtags are and how they are used, but few business owners realize that hashtags are a super tool for finding quality leads. In the part 3, you will learn how to bond with for the maximum success and closing deals with the ease. And in the part 4, you will receive the Insta DM recipe, where you will learn how to approach a potential client. Most people simply don't know what to say, but in this section of the InstaClient Recipe takes care of that. So you will receive proper DM pitch script that ensures you make an excellent first impression, and not only will the script get your message read, it also prompts a response and gets your foot in the door. And the last and the very juicy part of this training program is how to close the deal. You will learn how to close the deal. By the part 5, the stage has been set and it's time to close the deal. This can be nerve-wracking and for some folks questioning what to say and how to say it. However, in this final section, they will tell you exactly what to say in order to successfully close the deal. So this training program would be very beneficial for you. You will learn a lot of things from this recipe. So this program trainer name is Ben Atkins. He was a young business owner who found himself aimlessly searching for leads, and he has the mastery of finding clients and closing the clients for your business. So yeah, this is the end of my InstaClient quick review. I hope that my video will help you to fully understand this training program itself and choose the right things for your business. So if you are interested to get this InstaClient Recipe and want to apply it on your business, so I have put the InstaClient Recipe link in the description box so you can easily check it out. And if you will enroll into this through my link, then I will also provide you my $1,000 worth of premium bonuses, which would be also beneficial for your business growth. So don't forget to use my link. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next review. Until then, chase your dreams. Thanks for watching.